This is Vivian Berry, and I'm proud to welcome you to the very first edition of Cyberbrief by CybLynx, a sharp, fast, no-fluff cybersecurity update for the people. In a world where every click, swipe, and tap exposes us to new risks, we need more than just awareness. We need clear, trusted information delivered regularly. That's why I'm here. From fake job scams to AI deepfakes, from data leaks to digital laws, you'll hear the most important cyber news right here. Every week, I'll break it down in plain language and explain what you need to know to protect your data, your money, and your future. And we begin right here on the continent, Africa. As digital growth explodes across Africa, so do the threats. Cyber criminals are no longer targeting just big banks and foreign firms. They're coming after local businesses, schools, hospitals, and even individuals through mobile apps and fake SMS alerts. But here's what's changing. Governments across Africa are now pushing out stronger cybersecurity laws fast. Countries like Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Rwanda, and South Africa are enacting laws to protect your personal data, criminalize cyber fraud and identity theft, and hold organizations accountable for data breaches. It's a powerful step forward, but there's a gap. Many people and even businesses don't know these laws exist or how they apply to them. And that's exactly why Cyberbrief exists. At CybLynx, we're not just reporting news. We're creating a culture of digital awareness. So whether you're a student in Accra, a trader in Nairobi, or a business owner in Nigeria, your cyber safety starts with what you know. This has been your first Cyberbrief. I'm Vivian Berry, and I'll be here frequently with the facts you need. No tech jargon, just truth. Follow me to stay ahead, stay alert, and stay protected. Cyberbrief by CybLynx has officially begun.